Welcome to the hydraulic press channel, and today we have golf ball for our press, and now we are going to crush it. Place the ball here and it seems that the golf ball doesn't have very good strength for enduring this kind of press, and it is quite hard plastic. It's a bit warm after pressing, and yeah, that's all for today, and have a nice day.